Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you get the TikTok link in bio without having a business account. Now, basically, as of right now, guys, you can only have a TikTok link in bio if you have more than 1,000 followers, guys. So basically, you can go ahead and just pretty much get the followers and then you will get the TikTok link in bio. Now, if you don't actually have the followers, guys, pretty much what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to head over to the three lines at the very top right corner and click on that and head over to settings and privacy, guys. Now basically what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and contact TikTok from here. Now basically you're going to want to go ahead and click on report a problem. Now from report a problem, guys, you're going to want to go ahead and go to account and profile, and then you're going to want to head over to manage or profile page. Now basically you're just going to want to choose other, and then from other, guys, you're going to want to click on need more help. Now basically once you go ahead and click on need more help, you can go ahead and tell them how you want the TikTok link in your bio and stuff, and just pretty much tell them and make it convincing that you actually need the TikTok link in bio. So pretty much once you go ahead and contact them, the support agent will get back to you, and pretty much they'll discuss with you on how you can get it, and pretty much they'll go on through and you can pretty much convince them into giving it to you and stuff. So pretty much I recommend doing that as of right now, because there is no other way right now to actually get it without having more than 1,000 followers. So pretty much right now, guys, you're going to want to go ahead and do that. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful, and pretty much if you guys haven't already, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Now pretty much with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.